Hello kids. Today we will meet the letter K. K. K makes sound like a kite, key or kangaroo. Now, how to write the letter K? Write with me. First we will write uppercase K. Draw one tall straight line down. Then draw a slanted line down and in. Go back to the middle. Draw a slanted line down and out. Now write lowercase k. Draw a tall line down. Then draw a short slanted line from upward and in. Then draw one short slanted line down. Write again uppercase K. Draw one tall straight line down. Now draw a slanted line down and in. Then draw a slanted line down and out. Now lowercase k. Draw a tall line down. Then draw one short slanted line down from upward and in. Then draw one short slanted line down. Now here is a fun tip for you. Big K looks like a person kicking and little k looks like a person standing tall with one arm and one leg stretched out. Now let's learn 5 easy words that start with K. K for kite. Kite. K for key. Key. K for king. King. K for koala. Koala. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Now let's sing fun rhyme for letter K. Are you ready? K is for kite, flying so high. K is for king, with a crown in the sky. K is for key, that opens the door. K is for koala, who wants to snore. K says ka. Let's clap for K. Now, here is a short story about letter K. Katie's Kite Adventure. Katie had a colorful kite. One windy day, she ran to the park with her kangaroo friend. The kite soared high above the trees, almost touching the castle where the king lived. Suddenly, Katie dropped her key. Her koala friend found it and returned it with a big hug. Everyone cheered. It was the best kite adventure ever. Now, activities time. Find things that start with K around you, like key, ketchup. Pretend to kick a ball while saying K. Draw a big K and turn it into a kite with a string. Now, snack time. Try kiwi or ketchup with fries.
Now
Let's know quick facts about K. Do you know what is the position of K in alphabet? Yes, 11th letter. It's a uppercase K, also called capital K, tall line with two slanted arms. It's a lowercase k, also called small k, tall line with two small slanted arms. K makes sound like in kite, sometimes silent in words like knee. We learned about K. Let's clap for K. Hip hip hooray! Thanks for watching. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.